Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
How do you zoom, honey? With this thing?
There's a thingy on the top.
That's it. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. How do we make this stuff for the cooking contest? I don't know. What do we have to make? I think she said anything we want to, but it has to be something you like. Oh, I wonder what the boys are making. Well, let's just make muffins. I got the perfect thing. Let me go. Okay, here's the box. Chocolate, no. Vanilla, no. Snowy, no. Honey, no. Ah, here it is. Strawberry. Muffin maker. Okay. Okay, done. Let's go in the box. There. Okay, Daddy. Okay, now we gotta think of something for the cooking. We made the contest. Oh my God, we can do sushi. Okay. Sailing. Ah! Oh, I think I caught something. There's a big thing of sushi. Okay, let's go back home. Got it. Okay, then. Let's go get it ready. Okay. Okay, here we go. That's good. I like that. Ew, sushi. Luckily, they asked me first. Sushi. Oh. Oh, yuck. Okay, well, I guess the girls win. Woohoo! Woohoo! We win, we win, we win. Best cookies in Ethiopia. There. The end.
Yay! Good job. Take a bow, Emma. Ben,
Let's watch it.
did you like it, Ben?
Let's watch it. Let's watch it.
Did you like it?
Let's watch it.
Okay. I want to see what Ben thought of it.
Alright, you know what? We need to clean up the table because dinner's ready.
Yeah, I know.
Ben, what did you think of Emma Kate Production Incorporated? Do you approve? A little lower. Gotcha.
Can't see.
So cute. Alright, I gotta stop it as soon as I figure out how to do it.
Just hit the button that you started it.